Need a bet that there's a spot in this huge universe so horrible you'd lean toward obliviousness. This spot is dauntingly huge, void, barren, and covered in secret. To science we should set out on a fanciful excursion through the vast designs. Together we start on Earth, our natural home planet, our spaceship ascend, leaving the sun-powered framework, passing by notable planets like Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. Leaving the heliosphere, we adventure into the interstellar medium, leaving our sun-powered framework a long ways behind. Our undertaking takes us more profound into the fantastic breadth of our universe. The smooth way, here we experience stars in unbelievable amounts, some decorated with distinguished names like Alpha Centaur or Sirius. We navigate star-studded clouds, run over mysterious dark openings, and saw the wondrous birth of stars. A long ways past our world we spot further bunches of stars. We view the Andromeda world, the little and huge melanic mists and other far-off cosmic systems, perceiving a monster social affair of worlds known as the Virgo world group. We witness how these many universes are interconnected by gravity. We notice universes impacting each other, drawing in, moving, and once in a while converging in a entrancing astronomical dance. The Virgo system bunch, with more than 1,300 worlds, features the immensity and variety of structures in the universe. First, our venture endures to a supercluster of cosmic systems, the Shapley supercluster, of which our smooth way is a little constituent. This massive organization of cosmic system groups, connected by concealed strings of dull matter, houses many cosmic system groups and a large number of cosmic systems. We observe fiber structures directing universes and bunches in their direction. As we adventure farther, we experience a secretive locale of the universe, a pit of such colossal extents that it amazes us. This void, the dipole repeller by space experts, bafflingly impacts the movement of cosmic systems and probable adds to the universe's sped up development. However, its accurate nature stays tricky. Analysts suspect it fills in as an imperceptible vast guide, significant for the security of the universe. The dipole repeller idea, arisen in 2017 when space experts drove by Uta Hoffman, proposed its presence, drawing on information from the two-mass red shift overview and the infinite streams 3 list. Cosmologists have meticulously examined the texture of our known universe. These investigations, spreading over years, have examined the dissemination and movement of universes in the astronomical web. The two-mass red shift overview records the phantom shift of millions of worlds, empowering stargazers to find their distance and speed in space. Worlds retreating from us shift towards the red range, while those coming show up somewhat blue. The astronomical streams 3 list centers around the investigation and circulation of systems in our enormous neighborhood. Its information unequivocally portrays cosmic movement, uncovering multifaceted examples of streams and collaborations among gigantic designs, like the more prominent farm truck and the dipole repeller. The incredible attractor situated around the focal point of the Hydra Centaurus supercluster applies enormous gravitational effect on neighboring cosmic systems. Alternately, the dipole repeller repulses systems similar to an enormous vortex, molding the many-sided elements of our universe. The transaction between these two substances yields complicated cosmic developments inside our known universe. Today we figure out that everything inside the universe is in consistent motion. What's more, movement, yet the exact jobs of the attractor and repeller stay cryptic. To scientists, additionally, questions persevere regarding whether these are the biggest designs, or then again, if significantly more fantastic units exist while analyzing guides of the universe's construction. Another shocking disclosure arises. The designs bear a striking similarity to natural elements. Their shapes summon correlations with cerebrums. Kotley or snail shells. Such symbolism raises significant questions. Could our universe conceivably be much the same as a titanic living life form with us simple parts, likened to mitochondria inside its infinite cells? Replies to these requests may escape us for hundreds of years, even centuries. Attractors and repellers, while applied, likely exist. Researchers portray the dipole repeller in a way so cooling that even with a spaceship outfitted with twist drive, one would shiver at the possibility of wandering. Their melancholy, forsaken and covered in secret, the dipole repeller remains as a genuinely premonition and dark area of the universe. Inside this baffling domain, cosmic systems seem repulsed by an imperceptible, inauspicious power. What is this power? What has the stunning ability to oust whole cosmic system superclusters into the limitless void? The universe appears to harbor a secretive plan, and the idea of a spooky, almost empty domain, continually pushing universes into the void, presents us with unsolvable enigmas. Noticing the disconnection of worlds, one discovers that almost all that in the universe looks for association, yet the dipole repeller stays an unconventional exemption. What other reason does this confounding void serve? What exists in it? Is there a more profound reasoning for its shocking nature associated to the similarly puzzling voids? These voids or cosmological ideas have long been noticed. Voids address huge breadths in the universe where the thickness of universes and matter is extremely low while seeming vacant. They probably won't be really absent any and all. Substance research proposes they could hold pieces of information to grasping dim energy, with some proposing they could even act as passages to resemble universes, or then again substitute aspects. Besides, some guess that exceptional civilizations may stay inside these voids, tackling the energy of whole cosmic systems for their purposes. Such ideas, established in speculations going back many years, fuel dazzling conversations about the universe's secrets and the potential ponders covered inside its huge arrives at these hypotheses, or speculative distinctively outline how these monstrous structures challenge the limits of our logical figuring out. Stargazers, what's more, cosmologists are vigorously looking for replies from each accessible source. Yet, which jobs do dim matter and dull energy play? It might sound mind-blowing, yet it's actual. Our whole cosmological structure relies with the understanding of two powers that have evaded direct, however, perception. Dull matter, indistinct to our faculties, applies a gravitational power that significantly impacts apparent matter inside universes and world bunches. Truth be told, comprising the majority is accepted of issue in the universe, shaping the platform for cosmic and enormous structures. In the interim, dull energy goes about as a counterforce, driving the sped up extension of the universe and pushing systems separated for huge, enormous scopes. This exchange between dim matter's gravitational pull and dim energy's horrible power shapes peculiarities like
the dipole repeller and the voids in the universe. Notwithstanding their imperceptibility, these powers employ basic impact over the universe development and fate, unraveling the secrets of dull matter. Furthermore, dull energy is crucial to unwinding the infinite riddle. Maybe one day we'll fathom the starting points of the universe's wonder and magnificence and comprehend the powers that support its wondrous
creation. Presently envision experiencing a
universe looking like a penguin, or one that seems to spit at its neighbors. The universe is packed with systems displaying phenomenal shapes and ways of behaving. We should set out on an excursion through the universe to investigate the 10 most strange and uncommon cosmic systems of all time. Take, for example, NGC 2936A, world cooperating with its circular, formed neighbor and 2937 together, they structure an enrapturing side much the same as a penguin or a dolphin, contingent upon one's viewpoint. The twisting system's center glimmers like the eye of a dolphin while its gas and residue cloud add to its striking appearance. This heavenly dance between two cosmic systems continually pulling at each other yields an exhibition both lovely and puzzling. Then there's the confounding Rubin's system found by space expert Vera Rubin. This bizarrely enormous twisting system starts various questions, testing our comprehension of cosmic elements and advancement. With every revelation, the universe divulges its limitless imagination, helping us to remember a motivating variety and intricacy that penetrate the universe. This development uncovers extra highlights. For example, dusty arms striking pink, mark of ionized hydrogen, and splendid blue stars generally inside its prominently level shape. Rubin's world, otherwise called 885, likely shaped through a mix of gas accumulation and minor world unions. Perceptions directed with the Hubble Space Telescope show a continuous, gradual addition of gas, an exceptional event for a system of its size. Vera Rubin, the pioneer, thought that the cosmic system's rambling winding arms created due to the shortfall of bigger encompassing structures permitting it to openly extend. Rubin's cosmic system remains as a genuinely huge and particular astronomical miracle. Continuing on toward the secret cosmic system, Act 342. It holds the title of the most tricky system in our area, settled close the equator of the smooth way circle. It's clouded by thick astronomical gas, splendid stars, and bountiful residue, making it staggeringly testing to notice. Notwithstanding its closeness, just 107 million light-years away, IC 342 remaining parts stowed away behind its heavenly V. Regardless, Hubble pictures uncover its energetic star-shaping action, recommending it would be quite possibly of the most brilliant cosmic systems in our sky if noticeable from our vantage point. Presently, think about the space Candy system assigned NGC 2336, arranged roughly 100 million light-years away. This universe procures its moner with its stunning magnificence. Its amazing blue twisting arm range around 200,000 light-years, embellished with young iridescent stars. These dazzling blue stars appear differently in relation to more seasoned rosy ones, making a dazzling visual display. Found in Want 76 by German space expert Wilhelm Tempel, NGC 2336 enamors with its sheer superbness. What's more, infinite appeal. Then, at that point, there's the cosmic system inside a world, an unconventional find made by space expert Ara Horde in 1950. Named the Hogue object, this mysterious development presents a fascinating sight, a focal bunch of more established red-hued stars encompassed by a ring overwhelmed by dazzling blue energetic stars. This infinite peculiarity, comprising of an expected 8 billion stars, keeps on bewildering researchers. Its ring-formed appearance, conceivably coming about because of a cosmic consolidation or crash difficulties. Our comprehension of cosmic elements and advancement. In conclusion, we should consider Centauros a cosmic system with an infamous notoriety in the cosmic local area, home to a very enormous dynamic dark opening, roughly 55 million times more enormous than our Sun. Centaura displays Astounding action, discharging splendid plasma flies that expand huge number of light a long time into space. Its troublesome presence has accumulated little midget systems around it, much the same as steadfast workers in its grandiose court. Notwithstanding its unruly nature, Centauri stays a central mark of extraordinary galactic exploration, noticeable in the group of stars of Centaurus in the southern side of the equator of Earth. One of the most eminent groups of stars in the southern sky is the home to the Verman universe, despite the fact that right away HD 10746 shows up rather standard. It holds a particular affiliation with a star like our Sun. Analysts are quick to concentrate on this star. Further, however, the converging of light data from the system and the star obstructs such examinations. This dissatisfaction has driven to the system being named Space Vermin. However, I for one find it looks like a gigantic dandelion. What's your take? Straight away up, observe the cosmic fledgling. This exceptional development got its name from its striking likeness to